Welcome, everyone. In today's data-driven world, understanding what truly influences your customers is crucial for success. In this tutorial, we will use SPSS to perform a multiple regression analysis to answer a critical business question. For mobile banking, what has a greater impact on customer satisfaction, the ease of using the app, or the speed of transactions? By the end of this video, you will not only see the step-by-step process but also learn how to translate statistical results into actionable business strategy. First, we begin with a clean data set. Our data, collected from 348 respondents, includes 3 key variables measured on a scale: customer satisfaction as our outcome, and 2 potential predictors: mobile banking ease of use and transaction speed. Proper variable naming and data integrity are the foundation of any reliable analysis. To begin the analysis, navigate to Analyze, Regression, Linear. In the dialog box that appears, we set customer satisfaction as our dependent variable. Then, we select both mobile banking ease of use and transaction speed and move them into the independence box. Before we run it, click the Statistics button. For a comprehensive output, we select Estimates for the regression coefficients, Model fit to see the R-squared value, Descriptives for preliminary summaries of our data. Click Continue and then OK to execute the analysis. Now, let's interpret the output, starting with the descriptive statistics. Our sample of 348 customers provides a solid foundation. The average customer satisfaction score is 3.47. Mobile banking ease of use is rated slightly higher at 3.64, and transaction speed at 3.58. This tells us that while experiences are generally positive, there is clear room for improvement across the board. Next, the correlations matrix reveals a powerful story. Customer satisfaction has a very strong, positive relationship with both mobile banking ease of use at a highly significant 0.880 and with transaction speed at 0.819. This is our first major insight. Both factors are undeniably and strongly linked to how satisfied a customer feels. The SIGI values of 0.000 confirm these relationships are not due to random chance. This brings us to the core of our analysis, the regression model itself. The model summary table provides our first key result, and our square value of 0.796. In practical terms, this means that 79.6% of the variation in customer satisfaction can be explained by the combined effect of app ease of use and transaction speed. This is an exceptionally strong predictive model. The ANOVA table reinforces this, showing a significance level of 0.000. This indicates there is virtually no chance that this model is unreliable. We can proceed with confidence. Now, for the decisive insight, the coefficients table. While correlations showed both factors are important, this table reveals their unique and direct impact on satisfaction when considered together. We focus on the standardized beta coefficients because they allow for a direct comparison. Here, we see mobile banking ease of use, beta equals 0.652. Transaction speed, beta equals 0.271. The data delivers a clear verdict: ease of use has over twice the impact of transaction speed. Both are statistically significant, but the influence of a user-friendly, intuitive app interface is substantially greater. So, what is the strategic takeaway? For any business in the digital banking space, this analysis provides a clear roadmap for resource allocation. While you must maintain competent transaction speeds, your primary strategic focus for maximizing customer satisfaction should be relentlessly focused on enhancing the usability and intuitiveness of your mobile application. Investing in a seamless user experience is not just a technical improvement, it is your most powerful lever for driving customer happiness and loyalty. If you found this deep dive helpful and would like to learn how to apply these analytical techniques to your own business or academic research, feel free to reach out for consultation. If this video added value to your knowledge, please support the channel by liking, subscribing, and turning on notifications for more content that turns complex data into clear decisions. Thank you for watching.